Have you noticed this? You work hard. You plan ahead. You try to be responsible. But somehow, you always feel late. Late to trains, late to opportunities, late to stability. It feels like everyone else figured something out just before you did. And the strange part is, it doesn't feel like bad luck. It feels systematic. So today, let's talk about why modern life makes people feel permanently one step behind. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most systems today don't reward being helpful. They reward being early. Prices change faster. Jobs change faster. Rules change faster. By the time you understand something, it's already outdated. So even when you make the right decision, it often feels like you made it too late. Think about how many systems work like this. Early users get discounts. Early investors get upside. Early adopters get advantages. Late users, they pay more. They get fewer options. They carry more risk. This creates a quiet pressure. You are not just choosing what to do. You are racing against time. And most people don't even realize they are in a race. Here's the paradox. We have more information than ever, but we feel less prepared. Why? Because information updates faster than human understanding. Every update resets the clock. New app, new rule, new price, new strategy. You are constantly learning, but never arriving. That's why being informed today often feels exhausting instead of empowering. This feeling didn't happen by accident. Systems benefit when people feel behind. Because when you feel behind, you act faster. You subscribe sooner. You upgrade sooner. You accept worse terms just to catch up. Feeling behind keeps the system moving. Stability slows things down. Urgency speeds them up. Guess which one most systems prefer? The problem isn't that you are slow. The problem is that you are measuring yourself against systems that never stop accelerating. No one can stay caught up forever. The system moves, then it moves again. Feeling behind is no longer a failure. It's the default experience. So, if life feels like you are always one step behind, it doesn't mean you are doing something wrong. It means You are living inside systems designed to keep moving no matter how fast you run. And recognizing that is the first real step forward.